Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's multi-card mover, your new best friend for managing large-scale projects in 2025. To kick things off, we'll first go to the Trello board containing the cards we want to move. This is the starting point of any mass move operation. Remember, it's crucial to select the right board to ensure we're working with the correct cards. Next up, we're going to select the cards we want to move. To do this, click on the Select button at the top right corner of your screen, then click on each card you want to include in the move. This helps us because it allows us to move multiple cards at once, saving us a ton of time and effort. Now that we've done that, let's move to the next step, choosing the destination. Click on the Move button that has now appeared, select the board, and then the list where you want these cards to go. The reason we do this is to specify exactly where we want our selected cards to be transferred, ensuring they land in the right place. The final step is to confirm the move. Press the Move Items button to seal the deal. This is the final action that initiates the move, so make sure everything is in order before you hit that button. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully moved multiple Trello cards between lists or boards. This feature is a game changer, especially for those managing large-scale projects with lots of moving parts. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to use Trello's multi-card mover. As you can see, it's a simple process that can dramatically increase your productivity on Trello. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next tutorial.